now they've got them ready. Say hello to the Papa.
Hi.
Tell me, what's your name?
Mommy, see Brown? Yeah, I'm talking big.
What?
Oh, careful.
I'm so very pretty.
Yes.
All right, now I'm going to take a picture. I got a good picture of Remy. Say, hello, Mommy.
Hello, Mommy.
Hello, Daddy.
Hello, Daddy.
Hello,
Okay.
Nana.
Hello, Nana.
Hello, Papa.
Hello, Papa.
Hello, Rowan.
Hello, Rowan. Okay, let's see the temperature.
Let's get a picture of Rowan now. Should we get a picture of Rowan?
Yeah, but I can capture a picture. So I would just say, first of all, what's your name?
Rowan.
And where do you live?
In Marion. In Marion.
And what are you going to do today?
I think I'm going to play soccer.
And where's your mommy and daddy?
Some light in there.
At home.
Okay. And who else is at home besides mommy and daddy?
Maggie.
Right. And who's here with you today?
Papa and Remy.
Right. And did you sleep over here last night?
Yes.
Did you have a good time?
Yeah.
What did you see?
You can look at yourself in the mirror.
I don't know. Bye.
Where'd you go to dinner last night?
You don't want to go up and
I
look
don't
at the
know.
big
Bye.
mirror.
What'd you have for dinner?
I want to show you something. Look what we have, Remy.
What'd you have for dinner?
Pizza.
Right.
Did you like it?
Yeah. Bye.
Yeah, if you want to wear them, if you want to wear yourself.